Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an eyebrow tutorial because I know some of you guys have trouble doing it. I was one of them who had trouble doing their eyebrows, so let's get it done. So I have my Beverly Hills pomade, so I'm gonna start with my brush. First, brush your eyebrows. Okay, after you're done, start doing the form of your eyebrow. As you can see, my eyebrows are not done, so it's kind of harder for me to do eyebrows because obviously they're not done. So now you go from the top. I usually have them arched, but again, I don't have my eyebrows done, so they're not coming out arched. You grab more. You start doing it on the bottom, filling in on the bottom first, and then start going from the middle. Again, I do faces, not because, I mean, it's a habit of doing faces when I'm now brush them out. I don't know, it's like I'm already, what's it called? I forgot the word. Programmed. Okay, programmed to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, from the top, you just kind of make a line, a very light line. And you start small with whatever was left over because you don't want to make it so dark that it doesn't look natural. Okay, so there goes my first eyebrow. Now I'm gonna start with my second eyebrow. Damn, I really can't do my eyebrows right now. Again, I like to brush them twice as much as I can because they're not done. So there you go. I'll start again from the top. So I'm watching this one so you guys could see like the difference. So then you start from the bottom to make the bottom darkest, the darkest. You brush and you do the leftovers. Okay, there you go. So now I'm gonna use back my e.l.f. concealer and my brush. I have my brush and I'm just gonna wanna grab a little. I will be doing another video right after this, so stay tuned for the next video. So I'm gonna grab my sponge and then I'll smudge it all over. Okay, there goes my first eyebrow. Let's start with my left eyebrow now. Oh, I got some a little bit on my brow. I'll just go over it right now. My phone lights up, but it's never you. I can't help but feel so lonely. I know there's things that I can't. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Grab my sponge and smudge it. And that's it for this tutorial. Look at my eyebrow. So this is it for this video. Stay tuned, guys. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for another video. Peace.